That's a good one, Bob. Naked and Afraid. I just saw that. Star Wars Masterworks. My head looked big on this camera. I was looking over and my head was like so much bigger than my other part. High, 1 on top, 8 on bottom. Tell me where you like it. Four, 6, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Logo man. So I think they got logo tags. I don't. Then again, they change it every year, Darren. So I haven't checked this year, but I think they got the logo tags, if I remember correctly. But like I say, Flawless didn't have Logo Man for a while, and now they put Flawless. They put Logo Mans in the Flawless and Shields. You never know what they switch it up to. I heard NT Basketball this year is going to have a Charles Barkley game-used Logo Man autograph. Saul, Darth, Stamp Relic. Hey, it's Porg. Number to 200. Chewbacca with a Porg stamp. Guess that's better than a tramp stamp. You're like, I got one of those. Autograph of Brent Spiner as Gall Travis. I gotta take it down tonight, man. We gotta get it by the road, Blink. Once we get it by the road, it gets pulled out in the morning. They pick up every Wednesday morning. NT this year, basketball. It's probably gonna be over $1,000 a box right out of the gate if I had to take a guess. Number to 175, Padme Amidala. Ezra and Cal. And Another autograph. This one's Daniel Mays as Tivik or Tivik. Tivik. Admiral Akbar, number to 50. It's a trap. Oh, it is. And in the good times I feel myself longing for change. And in the bad times you feel I'm up to deep in diving. I'll never leave the ground. Alrighty then, box 2 will be the Supremacy number to 299 and Sam Whitmer as Darth Maul. Cool. Zeb is numbered to 99 green. Qui-Gon, Take Me Away, number to 299. 175, Baze Malbus. Ewing. You got Bazed. Are you amazed? Maz is the green. Our first sketch will be Eric Muller. Hey, that's pretty good too. Han Solo. That's a good one too. That Yoda was good earlier. This is a nice one. Pretty cool. Han Solo sketch. Hey, that is Indiana Jones. 5 of only 5 on the back. Imperial droid. This one is Duncan Powell, Sergeant Melshi. Look out now, Duncan Powell. Alright, last box, number 3. Let's see what we get in this one. It's hard for me because I don't have any fingernails to get this plastic off of these little insert boxes. Then if you hit one of those corners, it makes my fingers bleed. Um, 175, Hira Syndulla. One of those things. Snap Wexley. Number to 50, Cadell on the back. Number to 50, this one is Lars Milkison, Grand Admiral Thrawn. Cadell is number 10. Next, number to 25, pull her autograph a lot, Ashley Eckstein. That's like on a canvas card, I think. Ahsoka Tano, or Tano. And the last one coming is R2-D2 Anakin Skywalker stamp card, numbered to 200. And that will do, sir. Oh, see you later, Wade. Have a good night, man. Thanks, hi. As always, buddy, I'll get all this on the way.